Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Subscribe to the channel, get new and interesting video and press the bell button. Please like, comments and share. Let's go latest gadget videos. Atom Blue face mask. Atom Blue is a portable array perfume which block 99.97% of array particulates. As part of our mission to being fresh array to all. Atom Blue is currently available for Parcel or Indigo. This is the finally review of the Atom Blue portable array perfume. This mask truly is a large of its own with a motorized array frame system. HEPA stand filter, 8 horsepower battery life and a module designed for improvement and styling. The Atom Blue perfume array portable is a revolution in the world of masks. Selfie, if you like the great I am using, go ahead and get it here. You will be helping out the channel a lot. Thanks as an Amazon assist I earned from qualifying courses. Atom Blue has released its new portable array perfume. Capability of blocking 99.97% of array particulates. The Atom Blue's array to being fresh array for all. This drive is to the unboxing and first impression of the Atom Blue's mask with a review. To arrived slowly. The Atom Blue's mask has already been shortly and possibility the trust of masks. Was to learn more about the Atom Blue's portable array perfume mask. Its easy use and choiceful Atom Blue perfume mask. Hymen portable power station. Hymen portable power station. The need for energy power source to keep without egg solution at home and office and large factory and industries is increasing day by day. However, most currently power system and made by lead acid batteries, which are not safe along with the repeat charging lifestyle in outdoor and indoor activities and the need for charging complete device. Higher energy solution as power bank have been used as a backup energy source of smartphones to meet these gaming needs for self. Portable higher energy power source. Hymen's introducing the most reliable, the smaller and large and longer Hymen's portable power station. Lion batteries portable. Hymen's portable power station is easy use and every man use, all house, factory, industry and simple using. Big factory and small factory easy use. High can portable power station. It easy use for all men. Hymen's portable power station. Hospital, clinics, easy use. Hymen's portable power station. It's easy use to all men.